delighted to be back at the autumn PTSB Ideal Home Show. This is a really important show for us twice a year where we get to meet our customers face to face, as I know that's really important from our brand point of view, which is altogether more human. And we've been inundated with queries and customers coming to us, or potential customers coming to our stand over the weekend.
So we're Electric Ireland Super Homes. We make homes super. We're here with our team of retrofit engineers. We're advising everyone coming here to public today about what they can do with their home, what opportunities there are for grants. This year the place is buzzing. We're talking to a huge amount of people. They're all in the buying zone. They all want advice about their home. Very educated, engaged customer base. So for us it's the highlight of the year. We're already looking forward to spring and the next show. We wouldn't miss it.
Hi, I'm Jane Witter, a Dulux Heritage Colour Consultant, and we're here all weekend at the PTSB Ideal Home Show at the Interior Design Hub with Dulux Heritage. I'm Paula from Paula McCarthy Interiors, and I'm an interior designer based in Dublin. So I'm here this weekend with Dulux, showcasing some Dulux Heritage paints. This is a timeless design that I did with this room, which I took my inspiration from the art piece by Jess Kelly on the wall, who actually also used Dulux Heritage paints in that. And I've used flaxseed on the walls and then incorporated some leather materials to really create that timeless piece. It's been a fantastic weekend. I've met some really interesting people from all over Ireland. There's a real buzz around the place, and I'm delighted to be part of it.
My name is Joanne Kelly. Our company is Think Contemporary. We are an interior architecture and design company based here in Dublin. This year we're absolutely delighted to be on the Dulux stand. We wanted to create something that was cosy but yet had a real luxury element. It's been a really fantastic opportunity to be at a show like this because you really get to meet a lot of people in a short period of time. It's great to engage with people and just see the type of projects that they're working on, and we've had a really nice mix, so it's people that are just doing a couple of rooms up to much larger kind of renovations and extensions. So it's really nice to kind of get that mix across the board.
It's been amazing, another fantastic crowd. This is our 5th time doing the Ideal Home Show, and each time it just gets better and better. We've expanded our space and really created a store experience here for customers. When they come in, they get to try all our different products in the Simply Better range from our food producers. They have Nevin Maguire's cookware ranges, and then we've created a hub down the end for all our designer brands from Helen James, Carolyn Donnelly, Francis Brennan and Paul Costello. So it's been amazing to showcase the best of what Dunnes Stores has to offer. For next year we're really hoping to come back even bigger and better again. I think a lot of work goes into the planning and preparation of the show, but we'll be going straight back now and looking at what we can do for spring 2025.
It's one of the best calendar events in the year for us at Mitsubishi Electric. It's a great opportunity to meet our customers, great opportunity to meet new customers, and it's a fantastic opportunity to showcase our products. We really enjoy the Ecodan Home Theatre to answer any questions that anyone has, whether that be on their new build, their retrofits, and any questions they have on the technology itself. We've been coming here for a number of years and cannot recommend the show enough, and we'll be back again next year.
The people here in Ideal Home Show seems to love the IKEA stand, and we are so happy to be here. This year we designed the stand to show our sleep essentials. Because of this we have 3 bedrooms. We focus on your sleep, how we have the best temperature, the light. So we try to show how amazing range we have here in IKEA. Oh, it has been even busier than we expected. So many people coming around, touching the soft toys, looking at the beds. It's been great.
My name's Ian, I'm the Sales Director for CKB Design. We specialise in whole home solutions from your kitchens, your bathrooms, your wood floors, tiles. We're back here at the Ideal Home Show for the autumn event. We were initially here in spring and everything has gone fantastic. From then we're still getting inquiries coming in from that first show, so we're back again to drum up a little bit more enthusiasm for the brand and see how things go from there.
We're an Irish company. We manufacture sofas and chairs in County Laois. We've been doing this for 45 years, and it's just a really great opportunity for us to exhibit our furniture and meet lots of potential new customers.
I'm here on the Dunnes Stores stand representing Francis Brennan, the collection. such a crowd. I can't believe that there's this many people in Dublin out of the bed at this hour of the morning. But this busy stand, showcasing all the best of Ireland, and it's a great turnout. And for myself and Frankie, thanks for watching.